Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually start about to go through something that we want the style to analyze to start to understand about to add a layout grid. So really what we're gonna do, it's about to really specify through what we gonna start to understand on this progress, which is really about to go through the moment that is ready to be about it, and we about to go for going through this one, which is really about to adding the script, which is going through assets and click on that icon and then click on grid, and this will absolutely gives you a layout grid for a certain customer columns and rows with library. Maybe if you find it with that certain plugins, and that is all about